Well, Jumbo, everybody, Nick with MagicalNewsLIVE here. And today we are going to be taking a stroll from the entrance of Animal Kingdom up to the Tree of Life in Animal Kingdom. I hope you enjoy the video. And I would like to say Jumbo to everybody watching right now. And Jumbo is what we say to the magic seekers on this channel. Jumbo means hello. So, yeah, Jumbo everybody here. So we are going to be walking up the Tree of Life. And I love this fencing on the side, on the right side of our forward motion, as they would say in the monorail, on forward motion. But I do like this fencing. There's a nice little area of water over here that you can stop and take a look at. And most people, from what I usually see around the parks, just stop and they don't really take the time to look at all this. But I think if you're definitely coming to the parks, you should stop and take a look at some of the scenery. So we are going to be walking to the Tree of Life, and I do like these the sign up here, the red sign that we saw a little bit before about where you go in the park. And I like that Animal Kingdom has that versus some of the other parks. So a lot of people do continue straight, but no, Animal Kingdom, there are many different routes and stuff you can take. And there's a lot of wildlife in Animal Kingdom. And a fun fact about Animal Kingdom, for those of you that did not know, in Animal Kingdom, there are no plastic straws. They're all paper to protect the animals. So I suggest you bring your own paper, plastic straw if you do not like paper straws, even at Starbucks.
Have you found the right mouthwash yet?
Yeah, that's kind of a fun fact. You can see some water over here, which is really nice. A lot of people just, as I said before, continue up to the path, but I definitely think you should take some time to look at some of the stuff you can see. And I would like to remind everybody that we do have a P.O. box now for MagicalNewsLIVE. You can see that in the link in the description. I would really like to see you guys send it, and I might open some of your stuff on a live stream. Definitely consider sending something. You see a nice little, again, I do like these fences. They're really nice. I like how they are made. Yeah, definitely, I like these fences. I would like to have this in my front yard or something, those fences. So you can see this is the route that we were back on, where a lot of other people are walking on.
That's what you do for little short spurts.
There it is. Oh, I see it.
And as we come up here, you can see the Tree of Life, which is really amazing. When you look up here, you can see some trees and stuff like that. And there's some water. So yeah, we are approaching the Tree of Life now. So we'll turn back around. I do really like, this walkway does tend to get crazy because people are walking one way and you're trying to walk the other way. But there are some nice little, almost kiosk-like areas that you can stop by and take a look at. And obviously the iconic Tree of Life that marks the entrance to Animal Kingdom. So it's a nice sunny day here in Animal Kingdom. I'm not sure what the weather exactly was during the time of the taping for this, but you can see the Riverside Depot over here. And then you can see in the distance, there's a nice kiosk with some ears and one of those bubble machines and stuff like that. And then you can see a store to the right. And then the nice Animal Kingdom trash can, which I love in Disney how the trash cans mark where you are. So like this Tomorrowland one in Magic Kingdom would say Tomorrowland, the Animal Kingdom one would obviously say Animal Kingdom on it. I really like those. Animal Kingdom is just nice to stop and take a look at some of the wildlife. Definitely, for sure.
Why, that's a beautiful picture.
We would like to give a huge thank you to Richard R. Johns for filming the video and providing us with the video. That's all for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, check out our partner channels, Our Theme Live, Resort TV 1, Sabrina F., The Waltwins, Viapree Projects, J.P.L Studios, Eric Hebert, and Thomas Ever After. Subscribe and become a Magic Seeker today. Have a magical day, everyone. Remember to keep the magic alive.